Hi, I'm Slavik with iDrinkCoffee.com. Today I'm excited to present the brand new Breville Barista Pro. The Barista Pro is an evolution of Canada's most popular espresso machine, and that's the Breville Barista Express. The Barista Pro uses the same platform, meaning a grinder and an espresso machine combination in one small unit, but it features a lot of upgrades over its predecessor, the Barista Express. To demonstrate the Barista Pro, I'm going to make a few sets of drinks. First, I'm going to make a double shot of espresso. I'll then make a milk-based drink, a cafe latte, and finally I'll make an Americano. And I'll also discuss the features and upgrades of this exciting machine. The first thing that you'll notice on the Barista Pro is the LED screen. And this is basically your dashboard, your control board, and it gives you all the information that you need in order to make great espresso drinks. On the left-hand side, I'll just go over it quickly. I've got my grind size, and the grind size is adjusted using this knob here. And new in the Barista Pro is actually stepless grind adjustment. This doesn't click, so you have a wider range of grind adjustments. It will also tell me the amount of time I'm grinding for, and this is also a big upgrade over the Barista Express's analog dial. It's much more precise. I've got my double dose set to 14.5 seconds, and of course on the right-hand side I have my shot and my single and my double button. And again, on the Barista Pro we now have true volumetric dosing. It's not based on time, it's based on volume, which is much more precise and much easier to use. The first drink that I'm going to make is a double shot of espresso. So I'm going to pull my portafilter out and start grinding my coffee. I've got my grind time set to 14 seconds for a double dose. And I'm using the double shot basket single wall. Now that that's done, I'll just spread the grinds out a little bit. And as is standard with all Breville machines, you've got the magnetic tamper, which is very convenient. I'll tamp my coffee, put in my portafilter, and then just press the double button. Now, initially, the machine has the pre-infusion phase, so it allows some water to run through the group at a lower pressure before subjecting the coffee to the full pressure of the pump. And it's beginning to ramp up now, and you can see we're getting a nice extraction with a nice crema. Now this will stop at the preset volume because this does have true volumetric dosing like I mentioned earlier. Previous versions of the Breville would just be timed, so we would program it at 30 seconds or something like that. And that's the shot. We have a nice double shot of espresso with beautiful crema, and it's ready to drink. So the second drink that I'm going to make is a milk-based drink, and I'm going to press the double shot button because I'm using the double shot once again. I've already had my coffee, of course, ground and tamped. And what's amazing about this machine is the revolutionary thermoblock. Breville has a new system in this that they call the thermojet, and what that does, it gives you an extraordinarily fast heat up time. I mean, this machine is hot and ready to make coffee within only a few seconds. And it also switches between coffee mode and steaming mode almost instantaneously. It's only a couple of seconds before we get steam coming through the steam arm, and I'll show you that in just one moment. So my coffee's done, and now I want to start steaming. I turn the machine into steaming mode, and the machine starts producing steam almost immediately. It's literally only a couple of seconds. For a single boiler machine, this is quite extraordinary, you know, because we're used to waiting as much as 60 to 90 seconds to switch between espresso and steaming mode, and this is, like I said, practically instant. And you get a nice, good, powerful steam, which is good enough to make microfoam if you like to pour latte art, which is not one of my skills, but I'll give it a go. And you see the machine purges instantly after turning off the steam. And at this point, it is ready to make coffee once again. But I'll add my milk to my coffee, giving me a beautiful latte. The last drink that I'm going to make is an Americano, and again I have my coffee ground and I put in my cup, and you can see the Barista Pro can accommodate quite a large cup. That's a 10 ounce, and I press my double button to extract my espresso. And now with my espresso done, I add my water, and this is super simple. I just turn the knob to the water position, and the nozzle is in the same spot as the spout, and it just adds the water to your coffee automatically. It's super simple and very elegant way of making an Americano. And you can stop it at any point that you like, and the way you do that is just by turning the switch back into the middle position, and you have yourself a nice Americano that's ready to enjoy. Breville has done it again with the Barista Pro. This feature set offers incredible value and is difficult to match. This machine is perfect for the home barista that wants the hands-on cafe experience. It has a lot of refinements and a lot of improvements over the Barista Express, but it doesn't have all the automation of the Barista Touch. This machine is perfect if you want to froth milk yourself, if you really want to dial in your espresso to get the best possible results. If you have any questions about the Barista Pro or any one of our products, please feel free to reach out to idrinkcoffee.com. We're here to help, and we're always happy to help. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos about espresso machines, coffee machines, and everything to do with coffee. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.